Hey there, future innovators. I'm Coach Al, and welcome to the AI Playbook, where we train your brain for brilliance. Before you think AI is some kind of robot takeover, let's get one thing straight. You already have the most powerful computer ever built. Right up here. Around here, AI doesn't just mean artificial intelligence. It means always improving. Let me tell you about Jayla. She used to say, "Coach, I'm not good at drawing." One day, she tried an AI art app, and boom, her imagination took off. I told her, AI didn't make your art, your imagination did. See, AI learns from us. It studies patterns, just like you learn from practice. But remember, your brain is still the boss. All right, team, let's get to today's challenge. I want you to build your AI dream squad. You're the coach. Then pick your writer bot, design buddy, and music maker. Give your team a name that makes you proud, like Legacy 32 or Brilliance United. Now tap in, team. 32 means 3 strengths and 2 choices every day. Believe or doubt, try or stop. Always choose growth. When you use AI with purpose, you don't just make cool stuff. You make a legacy. Remember this quote, "Brilliance is built, not bought." Train your brain, and the world will follow your lead.
Thanks for watching. See you on the next video, and make sure to subscribe to Auntie Karen's Place.